Hey, this is Inside Freedom. Got a little unboxing. Something came in the mail today. This was the one that I was very fortunate enough to win from R2B Customs. Mr. Mel. Get a note from Mel. Here's the quick draw holster. Hope you like it. Remember, basic leather care, mink oil on the seam, stitching, Aussie conditioner on the leather, and beeswax on the edges every couple of months. Hope you have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. You too, Mel. Thank you. Also inside, the target from Fallmageddon, right there. Bald and Curious shot with his grandpa. Thank you, Bald. I know it was just a luck thing. It was completely covered, and more notes from that day, and the holster. Ah, that's nice. Got the logo on the back, both Mel's R2B Customs and my channel logo. Nice finishing. Really nice on the Kydex too. I like this clip. So this was for my XD 45 subcompact mod 2. Yeah, I'll say that's going to retain it nicely. Yeah, it's just really nice. Mel, thank you. It's just beautiful. Love the stitching. Love the leather, the finish. God, I'm so happy. I feel like I'm really special for having this, and I look forward to even more from you. I really hope to, after I can get through this Christmas time, get a 1911 outside the waistband holster. This is just beautiful, and you don't know how I appreciate it. Thank you very much.